Hi everyone, Anita here, More Time to Chalk. I'm going to do a DIY reindeer, and this is for Christmas in July, and I'm using all Dollar Tree surface and supplies as well. So I had this little block. There was a picture on the front. I did remove it, and I added 2 coats of chalk paint over top of this. This one is called Sandstorm. I love this color. Now, for the nose, I am using the ruby red, and it is such a pretty red. You guys, if you want more ideas and inspiration, go ahead and comment hashtag VIP for my free private crafting group. I'll send you a link through Messenger. And right here, I'm just sanding the edges and for the nose as well. So I have these twigs that I'm going to use for the antlers. And so they're wires. And I keep cutting to create like a little Y. And I just twirl it all the way to the bottom so that it makes it a little bit thicker. And if you guys don't have this, you can always use twigs. It works just as great. Now I did do 2 holes on the top, so I'm going to glue those in there. And then we're going to make a bow to put on the top part. So I have these thick ribbons. I'm going to put one on top and just do a knot for the center part. And I just rounded off the edge on both ends. And I think this looks so cute, you guys. Now I'm going to glue that, and then we're going to be ready to do the face. So I have my little blush, and this is the easiest way to create little cheeks. And I'm going to place my nose so that I can guide myself for the mouth and the eyes. So for the eyes, I did like a little half moon on each side. And I'm using black chalk paint for this. And I'm going to do some little eyelashes and eyebrows as well. I'm loving how this is turning out, you guys. Now, make sure that you keep watching to the end. And for this, you want to use like a little fine liner as well. We're gonna dry this up. We're gonna do like a little highlights. I did a comma and a dot for the nose, and also dot the eyes as well. So let's glue this together. I'm gonna put like little holly and berries on the top corner. You guys, I hope this inspires you to make one. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.